missed by much. Mark Flood now getting some power play time for Stapleton. Sends this down low to Little. Burmistrov jumps in from the line, but Stapleton has it. Back to Flood. Score! Mark Flood puts it to the net. Evander Kane was there. It's a power play goal and a 3-0 Jets lead.
I guess the knee is feeling better after all.
That'll help.
Mark Flood unloads on a nice setup, getting a seam pass and then teeing him up right at the top of the blue line. Good angle, and then net front presence by Evander Kane makes it happen. But a good pass over to Stapleton, and then back to Mark Flood where the rotation can't get in his way. And Kane gets the front of Rolson, distracting Brewer a little bit. It's Little over to Stapleton, back to Flood. And the little traffic, I'm not sure what that might have hit, if it was Kane or Rolson's foot, or just squeaks under Rolson's pad as Kane gets to the front of the net. But after Tampa had stolen the momentum